Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. And today ay mabiyahe tayo papunta ng Cebu. Our initial plan, our route for today is from my place going to Baybay and Hilongos. Bali guys, sa Hilongos po tayo sasakay ng barko going to Cebu. Wala kasi akong nakita na ferry day trip sa pagkaalam ko na sa Ormoc or Baybay. Yung sa Baybay may available sila pero mamaya pang gabi. So I decided to push through Hilongos na lang. Bali yung departure time nila today ay 11 in the morning. Siguro mga by 6:30 to 7 ay nasa Cebu City na po tayo. Hopefully wala pong maging problema sa pagbiyahe natin today. Our total riding time for today ay na-search ko sa Google, around 93 kilometers from my place. So that's a 2-hour drive. Saktong chill lang tayo guys, around 60 to 80 kilometers lang yung takbuhan natin. Anyway, yun lang. Back on the road. See you later. This is also known as Mahaplag Twisties, but kasama pa ito sa Abuyog na jurisdiction boundary. Well known ito ng mga motorcyclist before. Siguro lumipat na sila sa Colonia Curve dahil sa madalas rin-repair yung daan dito. Again guys, welcome to Mahaplag Twisties. Twisties and uphill. No, kuya o bangking oh. Mahaplag Twisties. Chill lang tayo. This is the crossing going to Mahaplag proper, and to the right is going to Baybay City. Sa left dun po yung Agas-Agas Bridge, mostly going to Southern Leyte, and dito going Baybay Ormoc. Our time check for today is 7:26. We took off alas 7 ng umaga, hoping na makarating tayo ng 9 AM sa ating destination, 9 to 9:30, para may allowance pa tayo to process the paperworks. Actually guys, first time ko pong magbiyahe na dala yung motor. Hindi ko pa nasubukan kung ano yung mga process, pero I think the same lang naman, same lang sa sasakyan. But today this is our first time nating mag-drive ng motorcycle sa Cebu, and first time natin magdala ng motorcycle. We are now entering the municipality of Inupacan. Sa mga beach lovers dyan, may tourist destination dito na islands, 4 na islands, or tinatawag nilang Cuatro Islas. It is composed of 4 islets na Digyo, Apid, Mahaba, and nakalimutan ko yung isa. Anyway, search nyo lang po sa Google. Maganda yung islands nila. And sa unahan naman, may isa pang island na tinatawag nilang Canigao Island. Maganda din. Pristine white sand, fine sand, teal water, blue water, or whatsoever. Basta maganda, search nyo na lang. And we are now 15 kilometers away para sa ating destination. I think we arrived too early. Yung estimated ko ay around 9 in the morning, 9 to 9:30, but as of today, 8:19 in the morning, ay 15 kilometers na lang tayo sa our destination. Anyway, okay lang kasi first time nga natin magdala ng motor. At least hindi tayo on the rush. Okay, we arrived at our destination. Hanapin na lang natin yung Roble Office Shipping Lines. We are now in Hilongos, Leyte. Time check is 8:33. So 1 hour and 30 minutes yung travel time natin. Okay. Alright guys, nakapag-book na tayo ng passenger ticket and sa motor natin. Time check is 9 in the morning. So hanap muna tayo ng 7-Eleven. Okay guys, tapos na po tayo nakapag-snack and we are now going straight to the boat, hoping na makapag-board na tayo and makapag-rest. Minabuting early na tayo today kasi hindi ko pa masyadong alam kung ano yung mga protocols and all. Baka may need pa sila or i-check yung motorcycle or whatsoever. Anyway, straight ahead ay ang port of Hilongos, Leyte. Thank you. Sakay boss, Nana. Diretso na, straight na ko boss. Thank you. Wow. That's huge. Immaculate Stars. Unsa sir? Oo. Asa da sa sir? Oh, sige. Mo park ko dire, mo sulod ko dito, din gawas rapod ko dire. After ng PPA ay need pang i-scan yung bag. Pero pag nakasasakyan ay no need. Ay nako. Motorcycle discrimination. Anyway, magbo-board na po tayo. And this is actually our first time. Let's go! So I think guys, that's it. Total expenses natin ay for the motorcycle it's 1,871 for the 200cc to 450cc, and terminal fee is 11 pesos plus PPA 65 pesos, and yung accommodation natin today ay tourist, which is 680 pesos. And tinanong ko na rin yung mga other displacement. So for the 150cc is 1,435, 200 to 400 1,870, 450 to 900 is 2,055, and 1,000cc and up is 3,275. And we are officially off. We are now at the port of Ormoc City. We are now at the port of Cebu City. This is our first ever inter-island on a motorcycle. Picture na ngayon. Okay, let's move out. Punta na tayo sa kay fiancé. Let's go.